Hello, today we are going to see if we want to program or code in Colin. So, how you can do it without doing any setup at all. So, first you have to write on Google Colab. You can write anything, this like Colab or Google Colab. Just open this link, which is first in this, and just you can do directly open Colab or new notebook. I'm clicking on Colab to show you. Here you can search any notebook. If you have existing notebooks, you can navigate from here, or you can just click on new notebook to do your code. Here it look like this. This is untitled. You can rename it. It's like you can give any name. I'll give it one name practice. Here you can see two tabs. First one is text. So text you can give text like headings or normal text. This is the text like this. This is code area. This how it will be look like. Okay, if you give one hash, it means it will give a hidden look like this. It will give if you give two hash, it will again give you a hidden look but a smaller. It is again more smaller. So and if you want to highlight something, give double star like this. So it will be bold. So now if you want code, so you can give code, write code directly. For example, I'm doing here a simple code. 2 plus 2, it will give me 4 because it has inbuilt all the things. It is little slow than Jupyter Notebook and other IDE. So here you can see it is giving me 4. Now we do a little code thing. I am giving a variable a equal to 2, b equal to 5, and c equal to a plus b. Let's see what will be the result. It is 7 as you can see. Like this you can use Colab. This is a normal view which you can see in Word or Excel file, edit view, insert runtime tools. This is the section which you can divide. If you can add more sections here. This is your file storage. You can navigate from here like this. So this is it. If you want any other information, comment down below. Like the video, subscribe the channel. Thank you.